starting with our big focus, the Maharashtra government's no helmet, no petrol rule. In what can be called an innovative plan to impose the helmet rule on motorists, the state government is proposing a rule which will bar petrol pumps from selling fuel to bikers without helmets. The rule, set to roll out on the 1st of August, has received flack from petrol pump unions across the state. We have Ravi Shinde, president of the Petrol Dealers Association, Mumbai, joining us here on the Property News. Mr. Shinde, thank you so much for taking time out to be with us over here. My first question to you is, why has the Petrol Dealers Association decided to go on strike?
We are not going on strike. Really, it is a question of wrong GR, government resolution, which has come onto our head, that the question of no helmet and no petrol, which was supposed to be dealt with RTO, is somehow come onto the forecourt of our petrol pump. And that is the reason our petrol dealers across Maharashtra have decided to have no purchase from 1st of August to tell the government that this is not our job, and if you are going to impose it on our head, that is going to be the result of the imposition. We are imploring the government that within these 3-4 days, do call us to resolve the issue and take back this GR, because this GR is not at all acceptable at any stretch of imagination. This is not our job. We are not policemen. We are there to dispense and market essential commodity like petrol and diesel. So this is not supposed to be done at the petrol forecourt. It is to be done on the Mumbai roads. But somehow we had accepted initial stages that yes, we will help the police department or the traffic department to help them enforce this law on the road as well as at the petrol pump. But the GR doesn't say that. GR says that action will be taken on a petrol dealer if he is seen to be giving petrol to a helmetless rider.
All right, Mr. Shinde, I understand your point, but tell us, is there any alternative to the situation that you can suggest?
The government didn't give us any alternative. The GR which the government gave it to us was a simple directive, and that is gone to all the departments, including the opposition party, including the leaders of the house, but somehow that GR even has not reached us. The people who are going to be inconvenienced are the dealers, and they have not been even given a copy. But giving the mood of the house, here in presently we are in the middle of Maharashtra meeting, where all the district of Maharashtra are represented, including Mumbai. We have taken a call that entire Maharashtra will go without petrol after 1st August, when we stop purchase of this product in protest of this GR.
All right, Mr. Shinde, I wanted to understand this as well. Tell us, how exactly will this policy affect the petrol dealers?
Alternatively, already there was a pilot project in Mumbai at 233 petrol pumps, which was to kick in on 1st of August, where 2 policemen were to be stationed at each petrol pump, and then when the helmetless driver comes in, he was to be told that no petrol will not be given to you, or to give an option of purchasing a helmet there and then see to it that he got a petrol. But it seems that government is hell-bent upon punishing the petrol dealer rather than the helmetless rider.
And quickly, before we let you go, tell us, do you see petrol sales going down because of this rule?
Imagine that my petrol pump attendant, who could be a 4th or 5th standard pass, you are overnight making him a policeman, and he is without powers. He is supposed to tell a rider who comes in to ask for petrol, and he is being denied that. What we see on the forecourt is the daily fights, daily law and order problems, which I don't understand how the powers to be have not foreseen this. That how can you implement the powers of a policeman at a petrol pump? And there will be immense fights. There is going to be law and order problem. The dealers are going to be harassed. Not only harassed, the petrol pump, as you see, is not a shop. So it can be vandalized and the people will be beaten up. What we foresee immediately is our pump attendants who are working on this two-wheeler island to protest and say we are not going to work on this island, and then the two-wheelers will not get petrol at all. This is the immediate fallout of this decision. So to see to it that this does not happen, we are going to protest by a no purchase, with the hope that government will call us for a negotiation talk to them and take back this resolution, which is totally unfounded.
All right, Mr. Ravi Shinde, we will let it go at that. Mr. Ravi Shinde, President of the Mumbai Petrol Dealers Association, thank you so much for taking time out to be with us over here. Keep in mind, this is a rule from the Maharashtra government. So we're also being joined by Ali Daruwala of the Pune Petrol Dealers Association. Mr. Daruwala, thank you so much for taking time out to be with us here on the Property News and Magic Bricks. Now, the Maharashtra government has declared no petrol to be supplied without helmets. As a petrol supplier in Pune, tell us what exactly is your reaction to that?
The onus of implementing this rule should not be on the petrol pump. We are not a rule implementing agency. Our business is to sell petrol. It is very difficult, ma'am, you should understand, to say no to a customer when he comes here for fuel. If you can give us one constable from the traffic department or from the police department to stand here at our outlet, and we can tell them, see, there is a police department, in front of them we cannot give you petrol, so you please come with the helmet.
All right, Ms. Daruwala, tell us what, according to you, is the alternative? What exactly should the government do instead of enforcing this rule?
State government cannot direct a Ministry of Petroleum run petrol pump. We come under the Ministry of Petroleum. We do not take orders from a state government, that too from a transport department minister. Now you're saying if we give petrol, we are going to be booked under the local penal code. 1 month, you will have all the riders using a helmet if you stop giving them petrol. But we alone cannot do it. Give us police protection, you give us help. We are not scared of the local political people who are against this rule.
All right, so tell us, have you approached the government about this issue? What exactly is your plan of action?
It is too late already. It is too late. The GR has been issued. The circulars are going to be circulated into the local police and all. Already has been issued. We have not been taken into confidence. But now we have to bring this up because from the first, the association has resolved that there will be no purchase of petrol, not a drop of petrol. If tomorrow, if the Petroleum Ministry gives us some direction, which is our parent body, from whom we take our orders from, if they say we have to do it, we have to do it.
All right, Mr. Daruwala, I'm afraid we'll have to let go of that. Mr. Ali Daruwala of the Pune Petrol Dealers Association, thank you so much for taking time out to be with us here on the Property News and Magic Bricks. Now, we also asked Mumbaikars and Punekars if the no helmet, no petrol rule is deterrent enough to ensure motorists wear helmets. Listen to what they had to say.
Safety for the people only. The government has taken some rule for the safety purpose only.
क्योंकि हेलमेट तो पहनना ही चाहिए. बिना हेलमेट से क्योंकि पब्लिक तुम रोड पे गाड़ी नहीं चला सकता है. उसका मतलब पेट्रोल पंप पे तुमने हेलमेट नहीं लिया तो मतलब रोड पे भी तुम बिना हेलमेट में यूज़ करो.
मेरे लिए बोलता अच्छे करने के लिए, किधर जाएंगे एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा तो उसके लिए मेरे लिए अच्छा होता है. बात तो बराबर बोला मैंने.
गलत किए. अगर किसी के पास हेलमेट नहीं रहेगा तो उसको पेट्रोल नहीं मिलेगा. गलत है ना ये.
Obviously it is justified because this is our safety. This is because for our safety government is doing something which is good for the public, and if we are not obeying the rules, it is our bad only. So we have to wear helmets. Bike needs petrol and we need helmet.
हेलमेट पहना तो अच्छी बात है. एक्सीडेंट होता तो बच सकते कदाचित. सबने ये रूल फॉलो करना तो चाहिए.
क्योंकि अगर ज़रूरी थोड़ी ना कि हेलमेट लेके पेट्रोल ले सकते हैं. हेलमेट अटका हुआ है, ज़रूरी थोड़ी ना कि पहनना ही चाहिए हेलमेट. अगर बाइक पे रखा हुआ है फिर भी पेट्रोल देना चाहिए. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि हेलमेट पहना हुआ रहेगा तो ही पेट्रोल देने का.
Some ways they are right. They are doing good thing for people like who ride bikes like in a rough manner. But we don't ride like that.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.